Have you noticed the air coming through your HVAC vents is a bit stale? Well, I'm Damien from Pelican Parts, and today we're going to show you how to change your cabin air filter on your 986 Boxster. Replacing the cabin air filter is often overlooked. It can make a big impact, especially if you're sensitive to any seasonal or environmental allergies, because it is responsible for filtering all the air that's coming through your HVAC system and out into the vents. On the 986 Boxster, the cabin air filter is located under this windshield cowl panel on the right side. So once we remove the battery access cover and the right side cowl cover, we should have full access to the cabin air filter housing. We're going to change out our filter with Rennline's OE replacement. It's a great alternative to the genuine Porsche one, and it has the same quality you've come to expect from Rennline. To remove the right side cowl panel where the filter sits, we first need to take off the battery access panel. That's easily done by these two quarter lock fasteners, and then lifting the whole thing out and away. Removing the windshield cowl panel is just as easy. There's one fastener that will pull straight out when you lift up on the cover, and then simply pull forward. And there you are. You can see our cabin air filters right here. One thing to note before we remove the filter, some cars do have like a telephone accessory installed in the car, and right here there will be an antenna, and you'll have to move that first before you can pull the filter out. Otherwise, you can just pull on this tab here, lift up and slide towards the driver's side. Just to clear the locking tabs at the back, and you can pull the whole thing out. As you can see, the one we pulled out of the car is full of debris from who knows how many years of just sitting in the elements or parked for a long time. So it's definitely a good idea that we're changing this. Here we got Rennline's OE replacement. As you can see, it does match OEM size and quality. One thing to note before we install our new Rennline cabin air filter is that these are directional. So we want to make sure that they're in the housing correctly so that air is coming through the top and going into the HVAC system. You also want to make sure that you line up these little tabs with the appropriate slots in the cabin air filter housing. There's also a foam perimeter gasket that seals where the filter sits in the cabin air filter housing. We can go ahead and install our cowl cover. Making sure to clear the front seal and pressing this fastener into place on the body so that it's held in nice and tight. Do the same for our battery access cover. Tighten these quarter lock fasteners to hold that down. You'll hear a click. And there we are. Want to learn more about working on your Porsche or need the parts we used in this video? Be sure to check us out at pelicanparts.com.